might be wondering why I'm wearing all black. Well, it's because I'm a vampire. But it's bright outside. Okay, you got me. And I've got lots to pick in my half-acre vegetable garden. So come on, let's make it happen. So I brought these bowls to harvest, but there's just way too much. These are useless. I also got a knife here because I lost my pruning shears. Welcome to the zucchini patch. Right here, I've got a row of Golden Glory zucchini. It's a yellow variety, and this is Noche, a green variety. So let's get picking. I definitely should have picked these sooner, but that's what happens when you don't live on the farm. This one's a beauty, the perfect size. This is like the zucchini you'd find at the grocery store. Not too big, not too small, just the size of Montreal. And they said it couldn't be done. This one's a whopper. Batter up. There's just so many zucchinis. I just cannot believe the harvest I'm getting this year. It's amazing. Hey growers, my brother just found the clippers on the field, so now we can get back to harvesting like a pro and not using this horrible knife. Okay guys, so there's still tons more zucchinis to harvest and we're gonna get back to them, but right now I wanna go harvest some cucumbers. Come on, let's go. So here I've got 2 rows of cucumbers growing on my half-acre garden and they're finally really starting to take off and produce. So come on, let's see what kind of harvest we can get. I'm actually gonna go get the bowls because I think they're gonna be useful. I'll be back. And there's plenty more where that came from. That's off of just one plant and there's still even more on this plant. Perfect cucumber specimens right here. This watermelon bowl is already completely filled with cucumbers and we've only gotten through a very small percentage of this row. They're just hidden in the grass. It's like finding Easter eggs on Easter. How amazing is that? There's some more. I gotta go take these things to the car and empty them out and then come back and get some more harvest. I'm really happy with how the harvests are going so far. So it looks like this row right here is the pickling cucumbers. And the reason I say it looks like because I didn't label these rows. That was a mistake. So it's kind of hard to see on camera actually, but there's a ton of pickles here and they just kind of blend in with the leaves. Whoops. See, one of the problems with growing pickles is you have to really pick them almost like every few days because they get to this size and at this point, that's no good, right? These would be probably used to make relish. Just have to aim for the stars. That's how you succeed. A pickle a day keeps the doctor away. I dubbed the night of the year. If you see a zucchini like this in your garden, run, because you probably don't know what this is capable of. Long, long ago, in a galaxy not too far away. Now this is a unique specimen. You can see it's green, but it's also got this yellow in it. So it's a bit of a deformity, but hey, it's interesting. But wait, there's more. We may have visitors. Or not. There's just some people over there. I don't know what they're doing. I took the path less traveled on, and that has made all the difference. It's like a snake pit, but instead of snakes, it's cucumbers. This black plastic mulch is doing a great job keeping these cucumbers clean because they're not lying on the ground. These plants are just so lush, so healthy, and they're just producing a ton of cucumbers. Best to harvest them with the stem still intact. This way you're not going to have disease getting into the fruit and causing it to rot. Man, this thing here probably weighs like 30 pounds. Easy. Hey guys, if you notice that my hair is a little bad, it's because my brother trimmed it, so blame him. Look at that. That's just insane, right? So the sun's almost down and my harvest is done for the day. You can see I've got a ton of zucchinis and cucumbers here, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. I was really surprised with how much produce I actually got here. I really didn't think these plants were going to produce this well, but overall the zucchinis and cucumbers have done pretty well, and I still have a ton more on the plants that I need to harvest, but that'll be for another day. So I'm probably going to try to sell these at the farmer's market if I can, but I don't have a fridge big enough to fit all these, and they're going to get pretty rotten pretty quick if I don't sell them right away. So we'll see what happens. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, it would be awesome if you could subscribe, because my goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers. And I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day. I'm Lucas, and I'll see you next time.